Welcome to the Cooperstown Winter Carnival website tutorial update. We are going to update this for the next year. So going into the Wix homepage, finding Cooper Winter Carnival, and then clicking Edit Site. Takes a second. Every year there's a new logo. We would come here and we would click on this image and change the image. Although I do not have the new logo yet, that would be one of the first things. Then I would go straight to Pages and Menus here underneath Page and click on this icon. Then you will see all the menu items here that correspond with the menu bar. Under Schedule, you'll find there is a 2023 highlights page that you update every end of festival, and then this page becomes sort of the memories page for the next year. So we would just change the name. And we would also want to make this show in menu. I would change the dates. And then to the section with the grid or gallery, I will double click. And here you can change all the images. I don't have the images for this gallery yet, but I would click here. And when the images come to the folder, double click here and be able to start adding the files, and then would click Add Gallery. So if there was 15 pictures here and click Add Gallery, all the pictures would show up in this area, and then you would be able to move them around to wherever you want them, and then would click Done. After that, make sure you click Publish, or none of the changes will stay. Very important. So let's go back to our pages and menus. If the 2024 highlights does not have the little I with a slash through it, then you should be able to see it here. For the kickoff event next year, this page is something you would probably want to make edits on. So reviewing any information here, if it's the same place, or we would definitely want to change dates. All you would have to do is when you want to change an image, you click on the image and click Change Image. Same thing here, you could pick an image that was in this gallery or upload new pictures. And then it would put that right here in the center. Any text you would want to change, just come here, double click in the box, and you can make that change. Since it's not the exact same times or dates confirmed, I'm just going to leave it as is. Click Publish to save. Back to Pages and Menus. And then for the most important part is when you update the schedule, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. If these dates change to a different pattern, you can definitely just rename them. So here we can rename, oops. Here we can rename, click